Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to change Facebook password. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Facebook application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired Facebook account. And then just tap on the three lines icon and go to settings and privacy. Head over to settings. Here you will find Meta Account Center. Head over to it. And then scroll down and you will find password and security option under account settings section. So tap on it, and then there is an option of change password. Tap, and then just select the Facebook account you just want to change the password of. And here goes, you just have to type your current password and then just add your new password and then retype your new password. Once you do it, then just tap on change password right here and your password will be changed. You can also check mark it and also uncheck it if you want to log out of other devices. So you can check mark it. If you don't want, just uncheck it. Yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next one.